All right, practice packet lesson 7.6a, parallel pictures with measures and equations. So you're solving for x here, write the name of the angle relationship first. So looking at these two angles, I'm going to tilt my paper sideways. These are alternate interior angles. When I go ahead and clump, and then I do the angle slide, that 4x is going to come here. Because of that, they're now considered verticals after the slide. So 4x is equal to 136. Dividing through both sides by 4, I get x is equal to 34 degrees. For question number 2 here, these are both in the same clump. They're next to each other, so they are just a linear pair. And so I'm going to write out 3x plus 1, which is my first angle, plus the second angle, 125, is equal to 180. Combining like terms, I have 3x plus 126 equals 180. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 126 on both sides, leaving me with 3x is equal to 54. Dividing through by 3, I get x is equal to 18 degrees here. For the next one, taking a look at these two, they are alternate exterior angles. And when I slide, if I clump and then slide, that 136 is going to come down right here. So they are across from each other. So I'm going to do 11x plus 4 is equal to 136. I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 4 on both sides. 11x is equal to 132. And I'm going to go ahead and divide by 11 on both sides, giving me x is equal to 12 degrees here. For question number 4, these are both together. They are, again, a linear pair. So I'm going to have 8x plus 5 plus the 55 is equal to 180. So it's going to give me 8x plus 60 is equal to 180. Subtracting away the 60 on both sides, I get 8x is equal to 120. And I'm going to divide through by 8 on both sides, giving me x is equal to 15 degrees. For question number 5, these are same side exteriors. And when I clump and slide, that 80 is going to come down right here, making them a linear pair. So I'm going to have 80 plus x plus 25 is equal to 180. Combining my like terms, I get x plus 105 is equal to 180. Subtract away that 105 on both sides, and I get x is equal to 75 degrees. For the next one, number 6, these are alternate exteriors this time. When I clump and slide, that 76 comes right here, so they are equal to each other because they're now verticals. Take away the 10 on both sides, leaving me with 6x equals 66. Divide through by 6, and I get x equals 11 degrees. Final examples here, we have questions 7 and 8. For question number 7, these are alternate exterior angles. So they are going to clump, and when I slide, that's going to put that 107 there. So I'm going to have 4x plus 15 is equal to 107. Subtracting the 15 on both sides, 107 minus 15 leaves me with 92, and I get 4x. Dividing through by 4, I'm going to get x equals 23 degrees. And for the final example, these are alternate exteriors as well. When I clump and then slide down, the 123 comes down here. So I'll be left with 3x minus 3 is equal to 123 because they're now verticals. Adding 3 to both sides, I get 3x is equal to 126. Divide through by 3, I get x is equal to 42 degrees. And that's it for 7.6a, practice packet problems.